Hi friends, this is Nagarjuna. I am working for ISRO. This is the ISRO ISAC Technical Assistant 2016 paper which was conducted recently for Electronics and Communication Trade for Technical Assistant exam. These are the questions that are on memory based. Which of the following is the analog pulse modulation technique? In that we have options of DPCM, PCM, DM, PAM. We know that it is PAM. The frequency range of the satellite communication is 1 GHz to 30 GHz. In 8051 MUC, the register that holds the serial data interrupts bits Ti and Ri is SCON. The topology in which each node connected to every other node by direct link is called mesh topology. The thermistor is a transducer which converts temperature to resistance. The sampling theorem. In sampling theorem, the Nyquist interval is given by Ts is equal to 1 by 2 Fm. Voltmeter sensitivity is expressed in ohms per volt. Software which converts high level language into machine level language is called compiler. In case of dash, a direct physical connection path is established between two computers is called circuit switching. WWW is on dash layer protocol. It is an application layer protocol in OSI model. Which of the following transducer is used for very small linear displacement measurement? That is nothing but LVDT. SC, semiconductor has dash temperature coefficient of resistance. It is negative. DAC is nothing but dash. DAC is nothing but track without a gate terminal. Which of the following SC devices can be used for the enhancement mode? The only MOSFET is worked in enhancement mode. Resistance in diode in forward bias may be in ohms. Ideal diode acts as a unidirectional switch. The circuit shown below, when R3 resistance is going to increase, in what conditions? It's only the condition when R4 make short circuit. The electron in the base of NPN transistor flow towards emitter. Towards which region? Basically I think collector region. What is meant by fan out of a logic system? The number of other logics that can be connected to the gate's input. Which of the following statements is incorrect? In that TTL logic has very low power consumption and it is therefore widely used in highly integrated components. This may be the false statement. The memory which made with capacitor and transistor is DRAM. The R function of the following graphs, you can easily analyze this, no need of the question also. C was primarily developed because of system program languaging. Parallel switches, this is one more question, which are realized using OR gates only. Parallel switches are realized using OR gate. Universal gates are NAND and NOR. A small bubble-like circle placed at any logic gates function indicates the NOT operation. Which of the following is NOR function? Maybe the last one. In VHDL language, the bits 0 and 0 as termed as standard logic. With 0 volts on both sides are inputs of the op-amp, ideally output equal to 0 because of V1 minus V2. In the unregulated power supply, if the input AC voltage increases, then output voltage also increases. CRO uses dash method of focusing, electrostatic method of focusing. Q meter of a coil is given by XL by R. Which of the following is not a binary code? This is a Morse code. This question is also repeated in Bell 2016 exam. Data communication refers to. This may be a voice, video, computer, all the above, but we have to wait and see which is the answer. But for now, it is computer data from some book. The concept of utilizing the bus for DMA operation is nothing but cycle stealing. Voltage regulation of a ideal power supply is nothing but 0%. Which of the following device is the active element? That is nothing but both current source and voltage source. Maximum efficiency will occur when copper losses is equal to the iron losses. The resistance of a conductor of diameter d and length L is R ohm if the diameter of the conductor is halved. Its length is doubled. The resistance will be 8 R ohm. Because of this formula, we are substituting area is equal to pi d square, and by solvation we get the R new resistance as 8 R. Instantaneous power in inductor is proportional to the product of instantaneous current and rate of change of current. That is nothing but V or I is equal to voltage induced in an inductor is replaced by the first machine cycle of an instruction is always a fetch cycle. Dash is transmission and reception of message communication. The transistor to work in digital circuits, what we do, we have to work it in a cutoff region and saturation region. Most commonly used radar antenna is on and with parabolic reflector. ECG signals may be picked from a single needle, a set of electrode placed on scalp, and a needle electrode in the scalp, maybe all. ISDN interface, what is ISDN? We have to study this question. Laser principle, it works on stimulated emission. Force required to move a body may be applied force greater than initial or inertia of force. How many unknowns from a dimensional equation can be calculated? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Relative density equation he asked and given some options. I don't know exactly what the answer. And he also asked one question based on in TV frames the communication something blah blah. Battery usage in satellites. This is the question from ISRO. Only when satellite under eclipse conditions. Other time it won't use because in the point of life of battery. In transmission line, the source impedance is equal to load impedance for maximum power transmission. Sun appears red in the morning and evening due to what? Large wavelength, small wavelength, or high scattering, etc. And he also asked 2 more questions on ARM processor, advanced risk management processor, and 2 questions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.